Spend less time in the kitchen and more time with loved ones this Father's Day. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to pack Dad the perfect picnic with this simple make-ahead recipe for tarragon, green bean, and tomato salad. To get started, I filled a large saucepan half full with water and brought it to a boil. Add 1.5 pounds of fresh trimmed green beans and a half teaspoon of salt before reducing the heat to medium. Cover the pan and simmer for 8 to 12 minutes or until crisp tender. Drain the pan and immediately rinse the beans under cold water. Veggies like green beans offer antioxidants to help reduce inflammation and fiber to help support heart health. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together a 1/4 cup of Gustare Vita extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh tarragon, 1 tablespoon of Gustare Vita red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add the beans, 2 cups of red and yellow halved grape tomatoes, and 1 thinly sliced medium shallot. Toss the mix to evenly coat the ingredients together. You can serve immediately or cover and refrigerate the salad for up to 2 days. When you're ready, transfer to a serving platter and sprinkle with a 1/2 cup of soirée crumbled Mediterranean herb feta cheese. For last-minute gatherings, swing by Hy-Vee for fresh fruit, veggie trays, cold sides, and charcuterie boards. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.